Graph the function g of x is equal to log base 6 of x. Here we have a logarithmic function, and I like to rewrite these in their equivalent exponential form. I'm going to start by just writing this g of x as a y is equal to the log base 6 of x. Then let's rewrite this in its equivalent exponential form as 6 to the y is equal to x. 6 to the y power is equal to x. Now let's generate some points within this equation. Creating a t-table for values x and y. And here I'm going to choose to substitute y values. We can plug in either x values or y values. I'm going to choose to plug in y values this time. For example, if y is equal to -2, then x is equal to 6 to the -2 power. That's a 1 over 6 squared, or a 1/36. If y is equal to -1, then x is equal to 6 to the -1, or 1/6. If y is equal to 0, x is 6 to the 0, or 1, and let's use one more point here. What if y is equal to a +1? Then x is 6 to the 1, or 6. Now let's plot these points on our Cartesian coordinate system. We have the point x is equal to 1/36, y is equal to -2. So we'll come over slightly on the x-axis and down -2 on the y-axis. That's the point 1/36, -2. We also have the point 1/6, -1. So come over slightly more on the x-axis, down -1 on the y-axis, 1/6, -1. We've got the point 1, 0. And lastly, 6, 1. Over 6 on the x, up 1 on the y-axis. Let's connect these points with a smooth curve. Here we have our basic logarithmic function. This is the function g of x is equal to log base 6 of x, and it looks like this.